There's another nature trail that we found right by some rapids at Hidden Creek Camping Resort. It's a nature trail. Some decent little rapids. This would be fun to inner tube on, wouldn't it, guys? I don't know. It's kind of a, yeah, kind of rough for inner tube. Maybe kayaking. Another decent rapid. And we're walking up here to where we parked the golf cart. $50 a day. Not much to look at, but it gets the job done. And here's a little area that the kids can play in.
Ow.
Whoa, you okay, bud?
Yeah.
Logan just bumped his head. They can walk out on that. Got a rope swing down there, even on hanging on that rope. China's got to get a drink.